Hey guys, today I want to tell about top 6 web development trends of 2019. If you have a question like what I have to learn in 2019 to become an indie web developer in 2020, you found the right place. What is video about? The video about in-demand web technology you need to have in your pocket to become an indie web developer. I'll answer the questions what I need to learn in 2019, why do I need to learn technology, how to start, and what the first step. So let's get started. AI or bots. Artificial intelligence, or simply AI, is an intelligence displayed by machines to mimic human intelligence and perform cognitive function like the ability to learn, collect data, analyze information, understand emotion, or solve challenging problems. In simple words, AI is just the ability of computer to learn, collect, and analyze data or information to solve our problems. What are AI or artificial intelligence and bots used for? Definitely you know about Amazon's Alexa, probably Apple's Siri, Microsoft Cortana. They also solve our problems. You can ask them, what time is it? They fetch data from API and then voice current time. What are meetings today? They get data from your Google Calendar and voice your today's meetings and their time, destination, and so on. Please play classic music you like. Probably one of them, find a piece of art and then start to play it. What JavaScript is? JavaScript is the most popular programming language for the last 6 years, and it continues to develop accordingly. JavaScript made a tremendous impact on software engineering industry as well. JavaScript allows you to build cross-platform, mobile-native applications, desktop and SPI applications with React, React Native, Angular, Vue, Electron, and so on. Make it backend with JavaScript. It's not secret you can create a full-featured, high-performance server with Node.js platform. Node.js allows you to code your backend with JavaScript. You don't need to learn your programming language like a PHP, Python, Java, and something like this. If you aren't sure what you have to learn, JavaScript is the best choice for you. You can code everything you want to with JavaScript. So let's dive into the next slide. Progressive web applications. Progressive web application, or shortly PWAs, are hottest web trends. These modern web applications load like regular web pages or websites but have a high level of functionality. They can load instantly, regardless of the network state and browser. PWAs ensures an instant, independent, and reliable experience of user without cache issues, and it's utterly safe. You're probably confused about that single-page application is the same as PWA application, but it's not. There is a difference. Single-page application is a web application based on JavaScript, which works well among user devices. It boosts performance, minimizes interruptions due to page reloading, and improves performance due to take actions without creating a request to fetch new HTML from the server. Why is SPA well liked? Most recent developments on SPA are based on React and Angular frameworks. What is cybersecurity? Ever since web hacking and data theft are the terrible menace, cybersecurity won't disappear soon. Cybersecurity is a computer protection system against theft. IT security experts predict that those cybercriminals won't stop to look for vulnerabilities and victims. With that in mind, individuals, companies, communities, and industries need to strengthen their security system to protect their private info, servers, and databases. Blockchain is the most trending technology ever, I think. It's the most high potential technology. Blockchain is technology that allows individuals and companies to make instantaneous transactions on a network without any middleman, like a banks. Transactions made on blockchain are completely secure and by function of blockchain technology are kept as record of what happens. If you're probably interested about what a blockchain is, I can Just record a video about blockchain, how to make blockchain in Node.js and JavaScript. Well, now Node.js in the same JavaScript, you just can write a JavaScript in Node.js. So let's make a summary. Summary and first steps. You can pick a field you want to, but if you're a rookie or novice, I think more appropriate to choose JavaScript. Because JavaScript is incredibly user-friendly and incredibly the in-demand technology is developing quickly every day. Something new things appears inside of this ecosystem. By ecosystem, I mean JavaScript's ecosystem. After you realized what is the things you're interested in more, you can choose AI, creating bots, creating SPA application, give the security and so on. And remember, only you can change your life by changing your actions and habits. It's up to you. I mean, what do you want to choose as your field, JavaScript or artificial intelligence, or probably create an SPA application, doesn't matter. It's up to you. It's your choice, it's your life, it's your habits. So have a good one, have a great day, take care.